Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a 6x14 tandem axle off-road that we have in stock. This one's a 2019 6x14 in the matte gray off-road trailer. Again, this is a tandem axle. This one does come with the extended triple tube tongue. You also have a side swivel jack, front generator platform, removable front coupler. This removable coupler is great because you can add an articulating hitch to it. You can also pull this whole entire end piece off, and it's great for theft and security reasons. You do have that blackout package, which gives you guys the all black diamond plate rock guard on the front and the black diamond plate wrapped corners. Side door does have double lock protection on it as well. You have an RV lock and a cam bar. This one also has the exterior LED party lights here off the side, and it is equipped with power, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet located right there. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, black American racing wheels, 32-inch mud-terrain tires, black diamond plate fender. You've got brakes again on all four wheels with this unit, and about 19 to 20 inches worth of ground clearance. This one does have drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear. Your rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it. This one also is equipped with the rear deck option, so it does have stabilizer jacks underneath there as well that you can make this ramp door become a deck and have some exterior living space. LED party light, or excuse me, spotlights off the back here, and then you also have the all aluminum roof rack with ladder for some exterior storage. Amazing nudo floor with Drymax. We love this product. It's super durable, and then on the underneath side is a product that does not absorb the water or the moisture called Drymax. That's also on the underneath side of your trailer, so a nice upgrade there over your standard wood floors. You guys don't have to worry about those over time, the wood getting wet and warping and shrinking, doing fun stuff to you. You also have 4 D-rings in the floor for tie down points, insulated walls and ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. 2 of the 18x44 slider windows with screens across from each other. They are tinted. You guys can lock them. You can also open the screens up all the way if you'd like. 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights along the ceiling. You also have a Max Air roof vent up there as well that has the bubble cover over it. 2 LED interior puck lights on each side of the trailer. These are great. They do have individual toggle switches on them, or they're linked right up there to the light switch next to the side door. You've got a light switch back here. When you drop your ramp, that's going to turn on these spots for you guys. 4 interior outlets as well. We've got 2 on this side, and then 2 more up here towards the front. Now this is also equipped with a battery and a battery charger. This is an awesome add-on to trailers simply because that's going to run all of your exterior lighting for you guys, as well as these puck lights, without having to be plugged into a vehicle or a power source. You can pull right off this battery. And then this is your 30 amp service. You guys take that cord, pop it through the floor into your generator, campground, wherever you're going to power up your trailer, and that's going to give you power to your 4 interior outlets. That's also going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip, so you do have hot and cold there. It's also going to power up these 2 4-foot overhead LEDs, so giving you guys a lot of light, a lot of different power sources, and a lot of versatility in how you use the trailer. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, we would love to earn your business. We do ship, so if you guys don't live near us and you'd like to have an off-road trailer, no worries. Give us a call. We'll ship it right to you. And you can reach us at 303-688-8485. You can always check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And if you guys go right to our website, coloradotrailersinc.com, we have a tab that says Build My Off-Road Trailer that'll list out for you guys options, pricing, sizing, colors, everything that's available, and there's a few more videos there as well for you guys to learn about this product. So as always, 303-688-8485. We would love to earn your business.